most I got in me is the fire burning inside of me. No, I don't need a miracle. I got something far more powerful. And in this collective, I've got a brand new perspective. Some news that might break the tension. Can't walk on water, but I'm walking through an intersection. All aboard, I heard my brother say. All aboard, well, like it's some parade. Well, that's me. And I'm knocking at the door. I'm thirsty for more, for more, for more. That's me. Well, I'm knocking at the door. I'm knocking at the door. I'm knocking at the door. Well, that's me. Talk about the time you were broken. I regret the hours that were stolen. So how'd you keep going? I put my shoulder to the wheel and I just kept rolling. You can call it religion, walking into the mystic. When the power's with people, I don't get pessimistic. Standing shoulder to shoulder, I hold my head high. Shoulder to shoulder as we walk across the finish line. All aboard, I heard my sisters sing. All my sisters here this morning. All aboard, and bring you, keep on knocking. That's me. Well, I'm knocking at the door. I'm thirsty for more, for more, for more. That's me. Well, I'm knocking at the door. I'm knocking at the door. I'm knocking at the door. Well, last thing, clap your hands. Let's go. Are you going to keep fighting for equality for all? Are you going to keep fighting for acceptance from every single person in this room? Sing that. From the ground up, from the people, turn the sound up, like we mean it. Rise up. Sing that with me now. Rise up. Everyone up top. Rise up. Like you mean it. Rise up. Come on now. Rise up. Rise up. Rise up. We're the Arkells. It's so good to be with you. 'Cause that's me. Well, I'm knocking at the door. I'm thirsty for more, for more, for more. That's me. I'm knocking at the door. I'm thirsty for more, for more, for more. That's me. Well, I'm knocking at the door. I'm knocking at that door. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Northern Soul Horns one time.